Hey there and welcome to my flip through walkthrough video for my 100-day project 2023, where I have been creating mostly with stitching and paper and fabric. I've been creating a lot of these fabric books that have paper pages in them. And then I've also been creating some that are made strictly of paper, and then I've been doing some stitching on them with some slow stitching and fabric as well. Most of them, again, are fabric based, and I might change it up a little bit as things go, but I've really been enjoying creating these. Now, they are a tad flimsy, I realize that, but I didn't want to stiffen the fabric. I wanted to really keep everything natural, and I actually kind of like the fact that it's not so perfect. And I have been asked if I'm going to work in these as far as creating on the pages, and I probably will. I have been actually in one of them. I have been creating on the pages just like I would any other journal, and I'm actually really enjoying it. Mostly just doing paper collage and stitching, because I don't think I would want to come in here and do a lot of painting and inking because I don't want to really mess up the fabrics. This one was a tag that I did in this particular sequence of days. I just took a garment tag and did a little bit of stitching and added some fabric to it. Especially love this one. This one's a little bit bigger than some of the other ones, and I love how this one turned out too. There's a lot of little details, and I wrapped this one to where it came around to the other side. Did a little bit of machine stitching on this one as well, just to kind of hold some things in place. And then this one's sort of a medium size. This was a cantha quilt. I just cut parts of that down and added some other bits and pieces. Did a lot of little stitching on the back of this one. So this is my collection from days 21 through 30 of the 100-day project 2023. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough.